Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to look on how to add data filter buttons. So already we have got a populated data. So let me zoom. As we zoom, so we are going to add data filter buttons, and we just go to do this through three simple steps. So let me insert this. Once you do that, you will need to highlight the data. Simply do Control Shift down. Once you've done that, Control T. Okay, that will convert your data into table form. Then the next thing is Alt N, and for this case, I'm going to add data button with just on this, right click on it, then options, the options, then I want this to be in two rows, in three rows, two columns. Can resize. Click on the table again, Alt N S F. Now I want client name. Okay, can bring this here. Again here at options. Then I only want to have four columns. Then I can resize. Now if I click on Chicago, then you can see. If I click on Inston, only those cells that were made in that Los Angeles, you can see how it's behaving. I can clear the filter. Then if I say ABC Corporation, then you are seeing only cells that are made for this client are shown. If I go for digital media company, only cells made and per the dates. If I move to this, so that's how you do filter buttons, and this is very simple, mostly for presentations, and you can also use the same to make your presentation dashboards. If you've liked the video, click the subscription button.